Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to see multiple teacher vacancy for various posts, principal, TGT, PGT, PRT in multiple schools. Now let's see in detail. So first vacancy is for MET International School, Saket branch, New Delhi. The vacancy is first for academic coordinator. For that, qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed and they should have prior experience as a coordinator. Second vacancy is for PGT Physics. Qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed. The next PRT vacancy is for Science, Hindi, English, Social Science and qualification required is postgraduate or graduate with B.Ed. Then co-curricular teacher. Qualification required is graduate NTT ECCE with good communication skill, positive attitude. The next vacancy is for teacher, music teacher, Western. Qualification required is postgraduate or graduate. Then all these posts should have minimum experience of 3 years in their field and they need to apply within 7 days through email with their complete resume and recent passport size photograph, and they can mail it to principal@aiss.met.edu. Now let's see the next vacancy. Next vacancy is again for MET group of school and this is for head office. The first vacancy is of admin officer. For that, qualification required is graduate and knowledge of licensing work and administration rule regulation concerning school. Then second vacancy is for HR officer or assistant manager. Qualification required is postgraduate in HR with experience in that same field. Next vacancy is of storekeeper. Qualification required is graduate, computer literate with minimum 5 years of experience in handling store. And remember, best salary will be best in this field and you can mail your resume with passport size photograph at this mail ID aartip@met.edu. Next vacancy is at Sapphire International School, Noida, and they are looking for lifelong learner, not just educator, for next session 25-26. And here they have given the many benefit of joining their team, like they will be good salary and school is Google First Education sponsored training, then monthly professional development program, staff ward benefit, school benefit, 2 Saturday off per month, internal job promotion. All these facilities are there. If you are interested, you can send their resume at this mail ID careers@sapphireschool.in. Next vacancy is at Gyan Niketan, which is at the Danapur, Patna. First vacancy is for principal and this vacancy is for Gyan Niketan International School, Greater Noida campus. Then second vacancy is for vice principal. Qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed and minimum 5-year experience. Then PGT for English, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Economics, BST, Political Science, History, Geography, Accountancy, Maths, Painting and IT. Qualification required is postgraduate with minimum 3 years of experience and B.Ed. Next, for TGT and PRT, vacancy is for English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Biology, History, Geography and Computer. Qualification required is graduate with B.Ed and minimum 3 years of experience. Next vacancy is for NTT. Qualification required is graduate with B.Ed or NTT with minimum 3 years of experience. Next vacancy is for assistant hostel superintendent or wing in charge. Qualification required is graduate. Then non-teaching staff is also required, like junior clerk, cashier, property in charge. And you can send your resume if you are interested at this mail ID, which is gyanniketan84@gmail.com. Salary will be as per CBSE norms. Next vacancy is at DPS Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, and they need principal. For principal, qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed and minimum 15 years of teaching experience in senior classes, including 5 years in administrative capacity. Salary will be, another benefit will be as per DPS society, which will be approximately 7th pay commission, and you can send your resume and passport size photograph to this address: the secretary, DPS society, F block, east of Kailash, New Delhi 110065, with a copy to Pro VC DPS Bhiwadi on this mail ID: carrier@Delhi Public School Bhiwadi.com. Next, last vacancy is from LPS Global School. Vacancy is for following post for next session. First one is PPRT. Qualification required is NTT or Montessori trained. Then second, PRT for all subject. Qualification required is graduate with B.Ed and minimum 3-year experience. For TGT, postgraduate with B.Ed and minimum 5 years of experience. PGT, postgraduate with specific subject with B.Ed, minimum 8 years of experience. Then foreign language teacher also required for French and German. Then special educator, school counselor. Then teachers for music, dance and art and craft, sports and PE teacher, and they also need coordinator, junior and senior wing. The non-academic vacancies also there, like admission counselor, e-state officer, front desk staff, accountant, lab assistant and librarian. If you are interested to apply, you can mail your resume at this mail ID: carriers@lpsglobal.org. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hype, like and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.